Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to send a wire transfer with Regions Bank? Here's how to do it step by step. First of all, make sure your wire transfer is enabled. Then log into your Regions online banking through the app or website. Next, go to Payments and Transfers and select Wire Transfers from the options. Now enter the recipient's name, bank name, routing number, and account number carefully. Type in the amount you want to send. Review all details and make sure everything is correct. Finally, complete the transfer by entering your security code or verification method. Your wire transfer is now sent. And that's it. If your wire transfer option is off, let us know in the comments so we can make a follow-up video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.